This is the replacement for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the S Pen replacement from Amazon. I got it for $27. The tip is really good. Still fits perfect. The end still locks and clicks. You get the nice silver Samsung. And I would click the button, but it would stop the video. But button works out great. Bluetooth is great. Touchscreen is awesome. All works still phenomenally. Good purchase. Will be buying this again. So yeah, everything checks out. It's all good. Only works for Samsung Galaxy Note 9, not the Note 9 Plus. So yeah, only for the Galaxy Note 9. Yeah, but no, works out really well. We'll be purchasing another one just in case this breaks. So hopefully you guys found this good information and have a good day.